Hey yo, chat. Yes sir, boys, we got it. If y'all boys is new to the channel, you know I'm on a journey to fix up my Hyundai Genesis Coupe 2010 3.8. You feel me? Y'all know that I've been working on my car for about 2 months now. Still working under the hood, you feel me? Just got a couple problems here and there. Still driving boats on the road. If y'all see me, then shit, y'all know like what I be doing on the road, chill. So pretty much today just an unboxing video. If y'all don't know by now, I got my ceramic brake pad set from Brembo. Did a video on that like 2-3 days ago, but they just got in today. They just came in today, and we are about to do an unboxing video. Stay tuned to this journey because we are going to mod out of my car ridiculously. Stay tuned, y'all. This journey is going to be insane, and I want all y'all to be here with me to do this shit. You feel me? So, well, let me stop yapping. You feel me? We gotta unbox this shit right here. All right, now, y'all. Boom. Let's cut it open. There we go. Smooth cuts, y'all. Smooth cuts. Nah, some places they up up your packaging. I work at FedEx, so like I know, trust. So as y'all can see, this is the inside, you feel me? But they got mad pattern over this motherfucker. They made sure. Let's see. All right, let's put it on my lap right here, y'all. Oh, they put it mad. We have a paper here. All right, so pretty much just tell me about disc. Oh wow, damn, hold on, this shit low-key type got some weight to it. Okay, so as y'all can see, we got both of them. One of them is bigger than the other, as y'all can tell. We're going to open this up. Don't worry about my wall, right? Let's open up this one. Okay, this one has tape on it as well, so I'll make sure to tape these up after. Boom, boom. Brembo tape as well. This is gonna be mad fun to install. Yo, they really padded these shits. Oh, this shit got some weight to it though. Ooh. Let's put this one right here. Oh yeah. I mean, even though it's just a brake pad, like this shit actually is clean as hell. Then we're gonna get the Brembo calipers. You feel me? To go. I'm just gonna get the whole set. So far, we have just this down. You know, it's not a long unbox. This video is not gonna be like what, over 5 minutes. I'm pretty sure. So this right here is my rear disc, y'all. Now we are going to open up the front disc. Y'all remember? Put that right there. Okay, so we just opened the rear disc. Now we're going to open the front disc. Oh wow. How do you read this? Can my camera focus this? They out here writing in hieroglyphics. They gave us lube, pause, not that type of lube. I don't want y'all thinking dirty. Oh yes sir. We are officially Brembo certified. Oh, okay. Well, I guess these ones are definitely a little different because the rear disc, this is on the back of it. Okay. I'm thinking these are a different color. It should be red on the back because that's what it was showing on the the screen. So let's hope these are red. That'd be pretty cool, I think. Oh, it's not. It don't really matter anyways. All right. Boom. Wow. This is very tiny. There I go. Same thing, you feel me? Feels mad smooth. Feels like I could play a controller with this. Would you look at that? Who's blacker, me or this? Oh, let's look at this one. Okay. Brembo set looks nice, y'all. Nice as hell. This is going to be a fun ass journey. Like I said, y'all, stay tuned. Really stay tuned. I promise y'all don't want to miss this journey. This is why I'm bad with unboxing stuff, because I try to put them back the way it's supposed to go, and then I can just never do it. This is why I should never be a package handler or some shit. Like, bro, like I'm out here trying to fold this shit like a burrito. Like, you know, that's how we just gonna do it. Just gonna fold it like that. Like that's the best I can do. All right, y'all. That is the unboxing video of my brake pads, you feel me? Hope you guys enjoyed. Nothing too crazy, not too long of a video. Like I said, y'all, stay tuned because we are going to make this journey mad fun. Comment down below what mods y'all think I should do though. I want to see your comments on what mods y'all think I should do. What else should I buy for the car? And you guys have a great rest of y'all day.